Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you a really handy website called SpinnerWheel that you can use to randomly select names, numbers, or combinations. Let's go ahead and take a look at this site. You'll find it at SpinnerWheel.com, and let's just go ahead and put in a list of names to get started here. I'll put in Bob, Steve, Seth, Matt, Mason, Sam, Jess, Emma, putting a couple more names in here. Bob 2, Steve 2, and Max. All right, so there we have our wheel of names, and now we can just click to spin and choose a name. In this case, it looks like we have Steve 2 as our choice. Now, we can close this out and leave Steve 2 in the wheel, or we can remove him. We're going to leave him in for now, because I want to show you some of the other things you can do with SpinnerWheel. Let's go up here and go to our wheel settings. And we can customize the sounds. We can do ticker sounds. We can see Vivaldi's Four Seasons, whistles, soft tickers, reggae, all kinds of stuff. Mars Wars. Not sure what that sounds like. Let's hear it. So we can use that. We can choose our post-spin sound effects, like this one. Or even the terrified scream. Let's go back to ta-da. Right. Now, we can see here we want to animate the selected item. We can have it automatically removed from the list after a few seconds if we want to. We're going to have it launch in a pop-up. And I'm going to show the option to remove the selected item. If we go over here to design, we can change the color scheme if we like. We can put in an image in the middle of the wheel. So let's go ahead and browse that image library. And we can open Unsplash and look for a picture of, I don't know, a cat. Let's put that cat right in the middle of the spinner. And let's click OK. And so now we have our cat in the middle there. And you can see here we can also add another image. Let's do dog. Let's do this one here. Click OK. And in this case here, we now see the dog in the wheel. I don't know if I want to have the dog in the wheel or not, but we'll leave it in there for now. So let's go ahead and spin it. And it looks like Emma is the choice there. And we're going to leave Emma in here. Now, there's more we can do with SpinnerWheel. So let's go over here and click on Add and add another spinner. Now, we can just tap on that one and we can spin that wheel of numbers and spin the wheel of names. I'm going to leave that one up for now. But let's go in here and let's edit this one. So we want to edit what we see here. So let's go ahead and click on the edit button. And here I'm going to put in just groups 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm just going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, we can customize these other wheel settings just like we do with the first wheel if we want to. But we're going to leave it like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we can spin all. I'm going to spin them all at the same time. And I might say to my students, okay, Max, you are in group 2. And now I'm going to remove Max. And I'm going to close this one. And let's spin all again. And I might, in this case, say that, okay, Mason, you are in group 1. And so I can use this as a great little tool for creating random groups. Now, let's take a look at some other examples of what you can do with SpinnerWheel.com. You can see here, we can do this little world quiz. Let's spin all. And we see name the capital. And it's name the capital of East Timor. And so we can now have our students ask or answer that question. Now we could go over here and we can see short burst writing. So we have, if we spin all of these here, we've got a series of little writing prompts. We're going to have a school waiter made a discovery, and we have our little writing prompt. Now we have another one here with mental math, mental arithmetic. Let's spin all. And we're going to have, in this case, 11 times 3 minus 4 as the problem for students to do in their heads. Now, I should point out that you can save all of your spinners by just clicking on the Save button and giving it a name. And let's call this one Random Groups. And I'll click Save. And accounts are free. I created my account just by using my Google account. So that's SpinnerWheel.com. I think it could be a great little tool for picking groups, picking names, creating writing prompts, or, as you saw there, creating some fun math problems as well. As always, for more things like this, please check out freetechforteachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.